This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Redzhub build matches the game client and backup auto attack. CFG and settings. JSON so you can revert if needed. Once done, enable dev mode and open the console with F1 or the backtick key. This gives you immediate control. Now load the auto attack module and observe console logs as you run a basic attack test, because seeing errors early saves time. Make sure to note any warning codes you encounter. You now inspect auto attack. CFG for key parameters: attack delay, lock range, and priority weights. Change only one value at a time so you can isolate effects and explain why. Small delay tweaks prevent missed inputs, while lock range fixes target selection. After each edit, save the file and reload the module, then run a controlled combat test. If you see jitter or skipped attacks, revert the last change and try a subtler value. This iterative approach pinpoints the root cause. To finish, run an extended session of 10 to 30 minutes to confirm the fix under normal load. Consistent behavior means success. If issues persist, enable verbose logging and capture timestamps so you can trace exactly when inputs fail. Make sure to compare logs to the backup config to see differences. If problems continue after adjustments, reinstall the auto attack module or restore your backed up files. And remember, collecting logs first speeds any further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.